Hiya, this is a quick review of the Donner DST1 electric guitar. It's a full-size 39-inch Strat style guitar, but before we get to that, I just want to point out that this is a crazy deal because it's $104.99 I got it for, so less than £105, and you get with it a tuner, a strap, a guitar cable, a set of plectrums, an extra set of strings, a guitar capo, and this little 3-watt guitar amp, as well as obviously the guitar itself. This is just like I say, this is a crazy deal for a beginner's guitar, and obviously it is a beginner's guitar, but it's a nice beginner's guitar. So I'll get the guitar out now. So this is it here. It's actually really nice quality. I was quite surprised, to be honest. Because as I say, everything you get with it, you know, that's got to be nearly worth £100 alone, especially with the amp. The amp's excellent. So the guitar itself has got ebony fretboard with Canadian maple neck. As I say, it's full-size 39-inch Strat style guitar. It's got SSH pickups, 5-way selector switch, and it's pretty rad. So I'm just going to play a little bit. I'm not the best guitarist in the world. I'm a bass player, so apologies for that. But I think it sounds pretty nice. Yeah, so that's the clean. This is obviously the guitar, but the clean setting on the 3-watt Donner amp which comes with it, which again, you know, is an excellent little product in its own right. It's got tone, it's got gain, it's got a distortion channel as well, which I'll show you now. Pretty cool, I think. There you go. But yeah, so £105 roughly. You probably want, you know, I'd recommend getting a setup on it, but that, I mean, what's that cost? 40–50 quid, just to sort the action out, and clean it all up so it's good to go, get the frets leveled, etc. But beginner's guitar, 100 quid, comes with an amp, and as I say, the amp is plenty good enough for practicing. clean. It's pretty cool. I recommend it. Oh, and it also comes with a gig bag. £105. Madness.
This is a beginner guitar kit from Donner. I ordered through Amazon. It has a Stratocaster style guitar in it with a practice amp. There's a capo tuner strap. So we're going to open it up and see what it all looks like. Okay. So it comes with a patch cable, 10 feet. Comes with a hex key for your truss rod, a bar. Here's the mini guitar amp. It's more mini than I thought it was going to be. Comes with a cable to plug your phone or whatever in to listen to music through the speaker. USB, not sure what that's for yet. Little mini amp. So I guess the USB is to charge it. Doesn't look like it takes batteries. So let's recharge all battery in there. Get some guitar picks with it. Standard guitar strap. Comes with a pack of strings. Here's the capo. Kind of a gloss black. Good spring in it. Clip-on tuner. And here's the guitar. It's well protected. There's a little scuff there, but that can be buffed out. Has a nice starburst pattern on it. 5-way switch. 2-tone and volume. Plastic will have to come off of here. I have to take everything off to get that plastic out of there, but for a $200 Canadian, you get quite a bit in this package, and I'm going to play with it and see how everything works.
Guitar. I'm playing on the neck pickup, clean, through my Boss Fender, Boss Next Tone amp. Just want to show you some of the sounds that I can get from this guitar on the clean channel, neck pickup. Chords sound really nice through it. Really, really good. I can just feel the music just vibrating through the bass wood of this guitar. Very impressed with it. I just put it down here on the lead channel, put on my OCD pedal, just let you hear how that sounds through there. So. Just really awesome. It just screams music. It really does. I put it up on the middle pickup now, and I leave my OCD pedal on and just show you just a basic little blues boogie woogie style thing. Really awesome. Let me just bring it up to the neck pickup. Take off my OCD pedal, going once again clean, and just give you an idea. Really awesome guitar, highly recommend it. Go out and get one today. For any beginner, any intermediate will fall in love with this guitar. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to review this Donner left-handed standard series guitar. We just got this for about $165 plus tax. My son wanted it. He's lefty, so it was a little hard to find the left-handed electric guitar. This is one of the few options, and in fact, I think this is the only color that the left-handed actually comes in. The package is actually really good for a beginner. It comes with this cord here. It comes with this little mini amp that you plug in via a USB-C power cable. That power cable that they gave us is pretty cheap, so you might have to get a new one. In fact, ours kind of went bad pretty quickly, but hey, it's worth it for the price point. It also comes with this nifty soft case here, a little gig bag. That's pretty cool. It comes with that. It also comes with a pack of strings, an extra pack of strings, a tuner that's pretty cool, teaching my boy how to use that, and a capo. So kind of like everything you'd need as a beginner. It comes with a few picks and a little handy chart here for those beginners learning chords. In all, I'd say it's pretty cheap guitar. It doesn't sound great. You're not going to get a Fender Strat here or anything, but it's a pretty good guitar for a brand new beginner. The amp itself doesn't put out a ton of wattage. It's pretty low volume, and that's fine for a beginner too. So overall, I definitely recommend this for a beginner, just based on the price point, and the low quality is okay for the beginner. It's something they're going to grow out of as they get better anyway. So I hope you enjoyed the review.